Hi guys, welcome back. So I finally did it. I decided to tile my laundry room floor. Now let me clarify. Peel and stick tile. I don't know how to do tiles. I would love to learn, but that's another video. But what triggered me to do this is because last week I posted on Instagram how I redid my pantry floor, which I also redid the pantry, which I will put an eye up here if you want to see how I did that. And I did my downstairs bathroom and retiled that also with peel and stick tile. And it came out so good that I decided that I wanted to do the laundry room. So if you haven't seen my laundry room, it's you've probably seen it because I've done videos, which I will link down below, of how I reorganized it. But I don't know if you ever noticed the floors. They're green, it's linoleum, it's dated, it's breaking or peeling because there's cement underneath. It's just a hot mess. And so I decided that I'm going to make this beautiful some way, somehow, for very cheap. So I decided to do peel and stick tiles, which is so easy, so much cheaper than doing real tiles because, again, I don't know how to do that. But with enough said, let's jump on in. I'll show you how I did it. So this is my laundry room, real life, no judgment, or judgment-free zone. And this is the tile we are working with. We are going to replace this tile all the way to the steps, all the way to the door. So I'm going to clean up this space and then we're going to get started. Okay, so I swept up and cleaned up the floors. Some things I just can't get up, like this rust stain. I don't like to make my videos like really long, so I try to get to the good stuff, let's just say. So I cleaned up the area. I moved the dryer a little bit. I'm gonna try my best to get back there. But these tiles are actually on here are 12 by 12, which is the same size I'm using. But when you put down pattern tiles, they say, well, I think all tiles, find the middle. So basically you're gonna just measure from here to the end. I'm treating this as 2 rooms, and then from here to here, and then I'm gonna find the middle, and then I'll start there. I have a feeling that this is the middle right here, but I'm gonna measure and see, and then we'll start putting down tiles. So this is my center. I found the center points right there, and I put an X there, so each tile goes there, and then you just work your way out. So let me get started.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did not. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, I just wanna get high, I just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count.
Okay, so here's what we got so far. Not bad. I didn't go under the washing machine because my washing machine is extremely heavy and I don't want to hurt my back or my husband's back, so I just put on the outline of it. But again, I think it's starting to look really nice.
I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems.
Okay, so here's one of the problems and why I'm covering it. This towel has been ripped up, and the tenants before, it looks like they just glued it down. So I'm not trying to rip this thing up. I'm just going to cover it with the tile because I don't need to add more work to my problem. So just cover it up, and maybe funny, but I have a dent in it, but it's okay. So, teamwork.
Until my whole body burns out, I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live, and it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on, until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
So far so good. I save all my cuts for the end because I don't want to cut and keep going. I want to get as much as I can down, and then I'm gonna do all the cuts for this side, and then I am done. Okay, this is the brand I use, the box. The pattern I use. This is the laundry room. There's the floor. It makes such a world of difference. And I did it all the way to the back door, which I probably need to paint. But yeah, boxes I have there, but this is real life. It looks so good. And I'm still organized over there. If you haven't, still got my stuff organized. This has been such a great help because my kids and my husband know where everything goes. If you want to see that video, I'll link that down below. The noise you hear is I'm doing laundry, but yeah. So this is what the floor looks like. It looks awesome. That's all I can say. It looks great. It makes the place look so much better. It looks more updated. And something so simple as peel and stick, you know, tiles. And I think that looks so good. I hope this motivates you to do something in your house, because there may be spots in your house you just do not like and you don't have an idea how to do it. You can do peel and stick tile. And you also got to think outside the box, because peel and stick tile is meant for floors or backsplash, but you can use it to make an accent wall. I actually use it to cover a desk. I think I still have it. I'll link that video how I use peel and stick vinyl wood vinyl flooring and put it on a desk as a desktop. Think outside the box, you know, because it doesn't always have to be the traditional way it's supposed to be used. So, but I think it looks so good. You know, if you know, a can of paint can change your look in your house. I mean, a can of paint can make a world of difference. Trust me, I know. because I painted probably every room in this house probably. But yeah, just, you know, if there's something you don't like in your house, find a way to, you know, change it. And if you're trying to do it on a budget, if, you know, research. That's your best thing, is research. Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok. You'd be surprised what you can find on TikTok. My kids got me on TikTok, and I literally have to put a time limit on it because I can go down that rabbit hole and it feels like I'll never get out. And next you know, it's like 20 minutes later, like, oh my gosh, I need to get off this thing. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it motivates you to do something, declutter something, just get your house in order, because it's such a great feeling. Honestly, it is. But please hit that subscribe button down below. Give it a like if you love videos like this. It really helps out my channel. And until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day. Bye.